Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at our Kivy, and we're going to be learning how to work with height of our box layout widgets, and we're going to be using dots per inch. So okay, let's just go ahead and get to it. So last time we set it up where we had our my app.py, so we bring this in, and we had our button and we had our input box, but this looks really kind of janky, so let's work on this. So okay, first of all, this is what we do. We did micro videos, bite-sized topics. So please, if this is your first time joining us, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I do not want you getting behind. So let's just get into it. So we're going to be controlling the height of our widget. So literally the height. So we're going to be using, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. My bad, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Height, colon. Now, this goes in as a string. Now, through trial and error, I like it to be the cursor size for my window for right here. So DP, just dot per, not dot per inch, but 30 DP. Now, there is size hint. Well, you know what? I'm just going to show you. Picture is worth 1,000 words. So there is a rule that height only works when you want to say, hey, I want to override size hint. So you have to literally go in and make size hint none. So size hint. Now we're dealing with the height, right? So that's Y. And none. We know our none values. Now let's run this. Boom. There we go. Now we got our little start button and our little text input box. And it is literally that clean and literally that simple. So we've done all the GUI. Now we need to go and learn the Python side. So we'll do that next. But these are the micro videos that we do. And if this type video you like, go ahead and give this a thumbs up for me. And please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. If I've gone too quickly through a subject matter, had one subscriber really notice that I've had a huge gap because I deleted the video. I was getting fancy. I thought going out of town, I thought I could handle it all. So please, hopefully the new system I have in place, that won't happen again. But I am not airproof. That's what the computer's for. So thank you guys as always. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.